This is a full coverage, lacy, seamless, no underwire, everyday t-shirt bra I was sent a review from Xcutting, so let's take a closer look. A very adjustable back clasp and thick adjustable straps. And get this, it's machine washable and dryable. What? There are small slits on the inside so that you can adjust the padding after washing it. I love the lace detail. It's really beautiful. It feels nice. You can feel the lace, but it's not gonna be something that really shows through regular materials. Regarding the cut, it is very high cut into the armpit. One of the benefits of that is that it kind of like tucks in that little arm fold thingy, you know what I'm talking about, the little bulge. So in that way, it's almost like a shapewear. It's nice and high here. This could be a really cute way to make a low cut tank top or sundress more modest. That's really gonna be beautiful poking out. In the back, it's a very low scoop. The wide straps just make it so comfortable. Nothing's gonna be digging in. It provides really great support. The whole thing, I mean, it's like, it's a bralette. It's almost a sports bra. It kind of is a sports bra, honestly, the way it fits and supports. It's got a really unique kind of support system down here under this thick band as well. That is just really comfortable and supportive. This is white, also comes in black and beige. Check the product page for sizing. This comes good for sizes 32B to 44D or 44DD/E. It is seamless, it is supportive, it is super cute. I love this one from Xcutting and I know you will too.